Count the top. Count pinde.
Angeke vele
Money. Njani manje? Yenza njani? Awusitshele nje yenza njani? How do you feel? Yabamba. Ungayibambi amehlo ngezandla. Ngasibambi. Ungabamba amehlo ungakhali mntaka ma uyakhala. Ufuna uphuza amanzi? Phuza amike.
Phela.
Baba, sitshela sikuzwa kwenza njani? Ayo! Amanzi. Hey yo guys, it's your boy King Ginger Creme gLiTtv. Join us at King's Buffets and welcome to gLiTtv. It's always about challenges, guys. You know what I do? I go around the streets of Johannesburg and I'm just looking for people abadinga nje ukushama challenge Creme. Angithi people are saying bona bathanda into ebabayo. I'm giving away money. Do you want money? Call me ukuthi ngizwakale kasi lakho mfethu ngizokushanga nawo cash. So what we do today, we have a dead gummy bear. Yababa lempahla lena kodwa mangibabuza abantu bathi abantu 300 imali enkulu bathi le gummy lena into encane. Let me show you what I got today. I got this little baby. If you eat this for 10 minutes, I will give you cash, 300 rands. Welcome to gLiTtv, the world of giving away. Bafethu, we're just giving away money. Punama coins. After the break, I'll be bringing you in. Oh, my sister, Nina. King Ginger, relax. Saidi cried, Patiena won't cry. So today, he's going to tell my sister after this one. Alrighty, we are back at it, and this is gLiTtv. Hey, Baba. Lana, we are tasting hot things. Mama, Swagale. Unjani. Alright. So, Utwana, are we sabi the bash? We vele izinto ezibaba uyisabi. Usiqhelile. Bethuna uthenda ingalicho igama lakhe because akafuni ozibanibani bafumaniseke ukuba yena ongubanibani. Ngicela ubaba. This is the thing, Bafethu. This is the thing. Uthenga ngimthengele amanzi. Uthe ulidinga ubisi angithi you only need water. Okay. Perfect, guys. It's about that time, guys. It's about that time. It's a hot thing, Shandis. So siswami uzomela ukuthi udle lento for 10 minutes. Ngizoqala manje ngikubalele and then after 10 minutes mawuthi 10 minutes usuphelile. Awuphuzanga amanzi. Ngizokunika nawo 300 cash. Mawuthi 10 minutes awukapheli uphuze amanzi. U300 ngeke uthole, uzophuza amanzi uhambe ekhaya. Ngithi are we okay with that? Alright. After this one, guys, I'm making sure that we're starting this Shandis. Let me get my timer right. Alrighty. I'm on my stopwatch at gLiTtv, Bafethu, who can change your Creme gLiTtv. And join us at Bafethu. Make sure that you subscribe on this channel. We are on 10,000 subscribers. Thank you to you guys for your support. 3 clip up and down, mamazi. Alright guys, ngizocala manje 10 minutes ngicela sivule siswami. Correct. Hayi iyavuleka nje kamnandi vele uyithi nje. Kuyo le hook le. So ke ngicela ukuthi masuqeda ukuyibamba ungabisabamba amehlo ngezandla zakho ne. Ya ungasayithinta amehlo. Fanele ngize ya noma ungayidonsa kanjalo vele uyithi. Yabo? Alright, and we start now. Alright, sikhathi sesiyaqala bafethu. Alright kodwa mama. So ungitshele kumele uyithi. Wimunye. Ngizakala thaba wimunye. Iyadeka. Usizwe ungayigwini. Wazwathula bo. Umthetho wakho vele umuntu othulayo. Ngifuna ukukhupha imali namhlanje. Yabo? Yeah, I want to give you money today. I want to give you 300. So uthi kukuphi ekhaya wonke? Eastern Cape. Oh, kupne Eastern Cape because mina mangise Eastern Cape ngirepresent iGqeberha. Ecentani. Kwacentani. Molweni kaCentani. What up? Egoba. Bathini egoba bafethu, bathini egoba. Kunjani egoba lapho? Kwenza njani igoma? Mabheki phansi sifuna ukubona. 300 phela uza nenyembezi. Usizwe njani kodwa? Awutshela abantu nabo sebemile babheke wena. How do you feel? Uzizwe njani? Munqa sisimunqa lempahla munqa. Ayimunqwe leyo mpahla. Uzizwe njani mntakama?
I know.
Nokho yiyo. Into eqhelekile ne? Uthi into eqhelekile. Awu wayithatha imali yami. Yazi le mali yala ekhaya hlezi ithathu hayi into eqhelekile ne. Njani manje? Yenza njani? Awusitshele nje yenza njani? How do you feel? Yabamba. Ungayibambi amehlo ngezandla. Ngasibambi. Yabamba. Woo! Ufuna senze ntoni sijambe? Senze njani simuve? Sicule. Ufuna liphi kulala? Oh, cha. Guys, imsize over here. She needs a song. Are you crying? Hayi ayiwina ke le mali masukhala kanje bathini kwatentane goba babethi yababa le way trend yasetshenzelo. Welcome to Johannesburg. My name is King Chi. Ungabamba amehlo ungakhali mntaka ma uyakhala ufuna uphuza amanzi phuza amike
yaphela
ufuna uphuza amanzi
bekezela
phuza amanzi mathi uyibona ukuthi lento iyakushisa
bekezela
It's burning, it's burning, it's burning. Sitshele kwenza njani? Yababa, sitshele sikuzwa kwenza njani? Ayo! Amanzi. Iqhelekile le nto le. Yeah. Athi iqhelekile le way. My name is King Ginger guys. Athi iqhelekile le mpahla.
jacket.
Woo! Kumule jacket. Woo! Woo!
Come on, look at
it. Bekezela, abamba amanzi wezwa.
Hayi bekezela waphuza amanzi kuphelile usayithola i-300. Le jacket. Uyashisa.
Yayibona le mali.
Bekezela.
So sisandla sikubone ke ukuthi awuthi ngibona ulimi. Singibona ulimi. Phela ukubona alikhiphe kule.
Ungalikhiphi.
Sisibona ulimi. Hayi bothe wanqaba nolimi manje. Come on guys, this is gLiTtv guys. Make sure that you subscribe. Oh my sister, she's vertizelling. It's got to sasa right. Sasa grand, we're still running. Are you good? Let's go. It's a sense kanje. It's a sense kanje. Please do kube khona okwenzayo. King Ginger Creme dala Creme. Athi into ezincane. Hayi mzuzu sasekhona. Imizuzu we are approaching 4 minutes uyabona ngithi hayi isikhathi akumina 10 minutes it's 10 minutes
sithi phone akubambele
iyaphola kodwa manje ayizwa ithi ngibona ulimi asungangcono yazi kade ubomva usondele yazi ufikela na all right yabo manje upheli awubatshela abantu ekhaya ukuthi bayizame lento noma bangayizami
ababayizame
ayibulali imandi yona imandi hayi wena yeah na man woo let's go guys. Make sure that you subscribe if you want this. Make sure that you subscribe there. See, approach 5 minutes bafethu imani ngesikhathi because isikhathi somgqilaza imini ngomtshela akumoya ma akumoya mabamba amehlo ayike bafethu mabamba amehlo only 10 minutes bafethu. It's Friday today. If ufuna something ozokwazi ukuthi usikhiphe busy ngayo jump
so kusiba ngcono
so uba ngcono manje oyashesha kuphela ne yeah so le trick leyo uzoyenza
300 yakho girl
uzoyenzani le 300
ayibulali shem
uzoyenzani le 300
uzoyaphuza utshwala
What's chef guys pick up akayideli nje ukuthi nje ngathi ngamiphinda ngenye into egami kusasa phinde ngiphinde ngesinye yebo sithandwa sami uzobuya ngawari athi uzobuya awuyifile ithi ngikusize ngayo yakho awafuni kodwa amanzi shosho
phela mawuphuza amanzi asezona
awe awafuna amanzi noma ubanana yeah wena indaba yikho la hayi bo mayela amanzi ngothengela amahhala yebo uzwile ke at gLiTtv what's the stairs sondela thibo simboni sister inani ne akunankinga ne iyaphela manje hayi zame ne Uzizwa njani?
Right.
Right. Sila, khohlwa abantu abaseceleni lokhu uthi abazami. Uzizwa njani?
Right.
Usathe right? Okay, sesizofika isikhathi manje ne? Ngenzela ukuthi uphole nje you are on 6 minutes 30 seconds.
Hayibo.
Isikhathi manje. So ungixoxele ke uqale nini ukuthi upelepele? Vele unothando lwapelepele. So ungathanda mhlawumbe uma ukuthi on the next one mangithenga i-chips because e-chipsini ngiphisana ngo-500 mhlawumbe ngikubize and then uzame ukuthi utaste ne-chips lami nginike 500 isikhathi siyafana 10 minutes awunankinga hhayi-ke ngizwile-ke bafethu I'm ordering ama-chips bafethu they are on the way niyazi siwa-order America and I'm the only guy in Africa that is doing the hot chip challenge the Deke Army challenge so I'm ordering these things in America guys zizofika later next week so my sister will be back on another episode of hot chip challenge la ngizobe ngimnika khona malini 500 lokhu izityela wena into enjani Dantes baba fanele uyithengele nama-hot wings lana yabo ngoba ngithanda into eyibabayo awuyithinte le mali mhlawumbe ngayimali yakho awuyithinte uzizwa njani how do you feel ukuthi uzoyithatha manje engikade usaba ubuyika ntoni usoyikukufa Aye. I feel this is very safe. I can't kill people like this. So my name is King Changer, the Zoom guy. Test in disguise. Test in disguise. Hayi bo. Setshenzwa ngesikhathi siswami. Emsebenzini uphuma ngasikhatsini. Ngo5. Setshenzwa ngesikhathi yiyo le. We are on 8 minutes 10 seconds guys. We almost there. She's good. She's ready to eat the money. Count the top. Count pinde.
Angeke vele
Money. Cabanga nje mfethu. Kata yakhe sevela ithathela imali mfethu. Yazi umamazi. Ayibabi. Yakhawuleza. Very quick. Cela ubungibambela la siswami. Ngathi uzoyiwina le mali bale. Bale 1 bale bayibona 2 3 hiyo ibuyise asha 10 minutes What if uvela uphuza amanzi uyabaleka nemali yami money guys gLiTtv subscribe there come on my German people let's do this shandis now How do you feel? How do you feel to be talking to the Germans?
Happy.
Send greetings to German there. Send greetings to South Africa. Send greetings all over the world. And tell them good to be alebucha. Guys, can we do the countdown together so that we can celebrate a win? Ngiyacela bafethu. Sizoyiqala manje. Yeah. Oh yeah! Alrighty! In 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. Ngibongele siswami ngibongele. Ngibonge gLiTtv ukuthi igaye into enyane ngicela uzibongele mntaka gLiTtv. Ulimi luyababa luthi pikelele hayi ngizomyeka thank you enkosi uyabulela hey yo guys thank you so much for tuning in and make sure that you tell a friend ukuthi come baba and subscribe I'm giving away money like what Like what?
Popcorn.
Like what?
Popcorn.
Like popcorns. It's popping. Righty. Othi nginibonisa ukuthi angidlala. I'm giving away ngempela money like popcorns. But siphakethela mina ngicela. Iphe enye imali. Angisenayo enye imali. It's big lit. I love you guys. Make sure that you subscribe. King Ginger, Creme de la Creme, Jonathan Jones, Jonathan King Indo. It's a baby. Yes, sir.
Now all my niggas is ready, you steady complaining, you start look son like a bug. They can't even notice, you can't get with trust me unless you film that shit like a thug. They all comparing you watches and chat, how they clearing my neck, that shit like a sun. I can't you to notice, my team will explode, they don't tell me to love me, that shit a plug.
Ngena sengihamba nezinja ama-dog bashiyaphezulu ngangithinta ma-dog mntwana ngidlithi ungangicimi ma-dog social isiphile izibuko zi-on kwafika inkinga bavala imilomo thathwa amaphiki yimini silom phethe ilokishi kuzokushuba kwesop bari yangiphila ngigqitha umkhop mina ngighosti yakujiki